YouTube? Welcome back to my channel. So today I have this simple DIY for you guys. It's going to be a jumpsuit that I actually custom made for somebody. So first I'm going to be using 32 yards of the suede fabric to make this. Then I just took a pair of pants to use as a pattern. And as you can see here, I cut the pant leg actually a little bit longer, so when it's put on, it can give more of a slouchy effect, like the stacked pant leg kind of look. Now I'm just taking that one pant leg I made and flipped it over on the other side, so I have another one so that I can sew them together and make one pant leg. And as you can see right here, I have two pant legs that I pinned together. And now I'm just going to take them and go to the sewing machine and sew them together so that I have two legs that then I can put those two together. So now as you can see here, I have two pant legs that I am just going to put together, and I would just demonstrate how I put them together in the next clip. So right here, I already have them pinned, but as you can see, you take one pant leg, you turn it inside out, and then you put the other one inside the pant leg and turn it right side in, pin the seams together, and you will be sewing along the crotch of the area to make the pant leg, if you understand what I'm saying. So I put one inside out and then the right side in inside of it, and then I'll be sewing on the inseam crotch of the pants to make the pants come together. Now after that is all sewn together, this is how the pants should come out looking. And yeah, now on to the top portion of it. So you're just gonna cut out these two rectangular portions with a longer end on one side of them. Then you're gonna pin them together correctly, sew that together, and that should be the end of the top. Now we're gonna go into the sleeve. This is one sleeve, and then you're gonna take that sleeve, pin it together inside out, and then sew it together. After that, you should have a full sleeve. So this is how it should look afterwards, this top and the sleeve. After that, you just take them together. You pin it just like you did the pants. You take one inside out, pin the sleeve right side in, and then after that, you should have a off the shoulder top that then you're just gonna connect to the bottoms, and I'll show you that in the next clip. So right here is the top and the bottoms. Then I'm just going to overall pin the long portion of the top to the side of the bottoms and make sure the seams align with each other, and then I'm gonna take it to the sewing machine and sew them together. And yes, as you can see here, they don't fully align only because the top portion was too long for her torso, so I was making adjustments as I go. So guys, this was the end of this video. All I had to do was bring that to the sewing machine and it was done. The next clip is a clip of my model Asia, and she's putting on the outfit and it looks really nice on her, and it was so great working with her. So go ahead and follow her Instagram, and I will be showing you guys the final results in the next clip. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and like to see more from me. So if you did, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and turn on those post notifications if you haven't already, because I will be posting another one soon. Thanks guys, have a nice day, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching.